Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna show you what is Venmo and how does it work. First of all, what is Venmo for? Venmo allows you to pay and request money from your friends. At its core, Venmo provides a social way to pay your friends when you owe them money and don't want to deal with cash. For example, like splitting a lunch bill, paying your friend half of a cab fare, sending your roommate your half of the rent. Venmo can also be used to make purchases with authorized merchants. For example, using the Venmo MasterCard or debit card anywhere in the United States where MasterCard is accepted. Using Venmo as a payment method in authorized partner apps or mobile websites. Using in-store QR codes to complete purchases with Venmo. Buying something from a Venmo business profile. Venmo should not otherwise be used to make or accept payments for goods and services with people you don't know. For example, concert tickets, electronic equipment, sneakers, a watch, or other merchandise deposits for apartments or dog walking. What are the payment methods of Venmo? When setting up your Venmo account, one of the first things you do is decide how you want to pay people, also known as setting your payment method. In Venmo, you can pay people your Venmo balance if you have access to Venmo balance, a credit or debit card, or a United States bank account. You can transfer money from your Venmo account to your bank after connecting your bank account to Venmo. And there are so many ways you can also buy crypto on Venmo. I think you get the point that what is Venmo and how does it work. And if you find this information useful, then please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.